Hello gamers, it's Ash. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that's on the screen right now, and yeah. So I didn't think I'd ever make this, but I'm making it because why not? I didn't know what to put in the background of this video, and I didn't want to put just a plain solid color or a gradient or anything like that. So I just put some Bed Wars gameplay. You know, this gameplay was like 1 hour long. I mean, it is sped up. Okay, so the first type of, you could say, like, tip thing is that you should really make interesting content, which I do not make, so there you have it. But the reason you gotta make interesting content is because once you do make some like interesting content and so then people will most likely subscribe because they will know that you will keep making that type of content, so they'll keep watching and then they'll just subscribe. So that leads us to our next step, which is to be consistent, which I'm also not. Why am I saying these tips when I'm not following them? But yeah, so if you make consistent content, then like I said, people will most likely subscribe because they'll like know that you upload consistently, and then they don't have to wait like an eternity. Also, what is happening here? Okay, never mind. Just never mind. I didn't mean to say anything right there, right now. Okay, so basically, once you've, and that doesn't lead, this tip doesn't lead us to our next tip, but it leads us to something. It leads us to something within this tip, which is to have a schedule, an uploading schedule, which again I do not have. I never follow it. I have an alarm, so like I know when I have to upload, and I'm always like, I don't want to upload, and then I don't actually upload. I mean, at least I'm not lying to myself, because I don't want to upload and then I don't upload. It's great. I don't know why I had the alarm. It's just like purely annoying. So yeah, but make a schedule, and like you could upload on Wednesday and Tuesdays or Friday and Sundays. But like I said, I don't follow my schedule. I mean, I have 50 different schedules and I never followed them. So I always make a new one, and I'm like, I'm gonna follow this one, but I never do because I'm just that type of person. So I'm very lazy. I think we can all tell that I'm very lazy, actually. So basically, yeah, but now we're going to go on to our next tip, which I think it's our third tip. I have no idea. Okay, so our next tip is, my next tip is that you don't, if you have a small channel, if you're a small content creator like me, then if you don't have an audience, let's just say, and you're not very popular, then don't make too much original content because nobody will search for it. Now, what I do recommend doing is that making content that people would search for, like something that's like, I don't know, like trendy or something, I don't know. But something that you should make original of is tutorials, because people will most likely run into problems and then they'll probably not be able to find any tutorial on it, and so you want to make a tutorial about something. So that's that tip. And yeah, so you can be original if you have a big if you You can be original if you have a big audience, but if you don't have a big audience, then only make original tutorials. But I don't recommend making a tutorial like how to press a button. So yeah, but now for our next tip, which is that like you should tell your audience and viewers to like subscribe at the beginning of the video, because people don't ever watch till the end of the video when you say like make sure to subscribe and do all of that, because why would somebody do that? Nobody does that. I mean, I do that, but I don't go and skip to the end to just watch the part where they say make sure to subscribe or consider subscribing. I recommend doing that part like at the beginning so people will actually watch it, because like I said, nobody watches till the end. I'm the only weirdo here. Okay, so yeah, moving on to our next tip, which is what is it? My bad, I forgot. Okay, so our next tip is, well, my next tip is to like, you know, kind of have, okay, so you want your videos to have good quality. Yes, good quality. I mean, you can have good quality and good quantity. You can have both of them. Have good quality and quantity. And yeah, that's literally all for this tip. So moving on to the next tip. Like, you know, basically, I feel like this might be the last tip or something, I don't know. But I'd recommend really, like, you know, editing your videos and making thumbnails and all that, because that is important. Okay, for the edit your videos so they like, you're like breathing or there's like a moment of silence, then you just cut that out, and then it's like, yeah, awkward moments, you just want to cut out the awkward moments. And if you're like posing for a thumbnail or something, or you're just like posing randomly and you don't like the pose, then you can just cut it out. And if you have a cringy bit, and then you can just cut that cringy bit out. So it's just, yeah. Okay, so now for my, yeah, so you can also do a bunch of different things with editing. You can add text and all that jazz, but you have to have a decent editor. I really don't recommend not editing your videos, because I used to not edit my videos, but I mean, my first video was my only entertaining video and I didn't edit it, but I at least had background music because, okay, let's just not talk about that. So basically, what you want is that, yeah, so you can have like a bunch of editors. You can search up on YouTube like decent editors, starter editors, beginner editors, or something like that, and like for Windows or Mac or mobile and all that. But yeah, now for the thumbnails. Thumbnails are important. They attract viewers. If you make a very interesting and like bright and I guess we could say colorful thumbnail, then most likely somebody will have to click on it. And if the thumbnail is working, and someone will click on it, and yeah, so like I'd recommend having a good okay, so yeah, you want like a very nice thumbnail. You want to have like contrast in it, so it looks nice, bright and colorful and very nice, and you want to make it very interesting, and don't make your thumbnails clickbait. Also, yeah, basically, yep, sure. Okay, so you want a thumbnail maker? Not like a thumbnail maker, basically like a image photo editor. That's what I was looking for. Thumbnail maker. Why did I say thumbnail maker? This is what you should cut. This is what you should cut out of your video. I had to give you guys an example, and the example worked out really well, so I can't cut this out. Very, very sadly. Okay, so moving on to the next tip. Wait, no, this is the same tip. Okay, so good, very, very good titles. Titles are, you want really good titles and like keywords and stuff like that, and a description and stuff like that. Now, something I really recommend doing is naming your titles. I mean, OMG, RMG, I found Herobrine, and Herobrine hacked my account, mobile only, 100% real, 100%, percentage, and then in 2 seconds, and then people click on it, and then they realize that it's just a picture of a random cat from Google. Don't do that. I mean, that's exactly what I'm saying. Do that. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm kidding. Make basically, like the title of this video. I don't know what the title of this video is, but it's probably like something related to YouTube channel tips. How to grow your channel. 2021. Probably something like that. That's probably the title. You want to make it something like that. So people, I mean, I don't click because of the title. I click because of the thumbnail. I click because of the thumbnail because I'm very interesting. But I think that is enough tips for part 1. I know I'm crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, my bad. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye.